Hey guys, this is Shane.
And Melody.
With Real Appalachia, and I just said that backwards, but it's okay.
It's all right.
Look by the candlelight, it was what it looks like here. It can only mean one thing. Where are we?
We are at Haunted Tweetsie Railroad, or Ghost Train in the Sky. Is that what they call it?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
Your ghost train, yeah.
It's been so long since I've been here, since I was a teenager, so.
I'm excited.
And you've never been, right?
I've never been, so I'm
Not
excited.
during this
Not
Halloween
during this
part.
Halloween, never
Yes.
been. It's great.
Yes.
So we're going to get down here and take a look around.
And we'll show you some of it.
Because yeah, I got it decorated, so it's ready for Halloween.
Yes.
Well, let's get in here and show these folks around. Big old bag of bones there. Loved it. Make a good Frankenstein. Hold your breath. Let's hope no one on the train was contaminated.
Lieutenant Rango, you old dog, how's the war been treating you?
No, can't complain, sir.
And hey, how can tonight get worse? Back to the train cars! Go! Protect the civilians! Don't fire unless someone charges the train! Mr. Conductor! We gotta go!
Okay, here's the plan. Restock and resupply. Let's get these people out of here before anything else goes wrong. Keep their eyes open, men. Danger could be anywhere.
Open fire!
smells so good from up here too.
It's not. We hope you guys enjoyed this look at Ghost Train at Tweetsie Railroad. We sure did.
Absolutely. What was your favorite part?
The train, of course. They always come up with a good storyline, and it's just really entertaining. How about you?
I agree. This year was a very unique story. I wasn't expecting.
Yeah.
I expected the same old thing that you get everywhere else, but no, this was unique.
The Freaky Forest was cool too. Yeah.
Freaky Forest was a disturbing pig guy in there that you're lucky we didn't show you. We weren't able to do photography in there, but
yes, but it is very family friendly also, and it's just overall a great time. So we had a lot of fun.
Glad we came with you. Uh-oh, we better get out of here.
Hear the
chainsaw.
chainsaw.
Like, yeah, this might be a wrap.
Yeah, if you guys like this video, then give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment of your favorite part.
And don't chase us with a chainsaw, right?
Exactly.
See you
Thanks,
guys on the road.
guys.